Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity. But before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. If you are a job seeker, then this will definitely gonna help you get your first job. So please do like, share and subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. सो विद दैट नोट लेट्स क्विकली मूव फर्दर विद द वीडियो एंड आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एक जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में जो कि है EY की तरफ से. So they are hiring for associate analyst and we will discuss all other details about it, who can apply and what are the skills required. So we will quickly move on to the benefits and flexibilities. So if you will get selected in EY as associate analyst, then EY believes in people first culture, hence great perks are awaiting once you will be a part of EY GDS family and world class infrastructure offering flexible working environment and laptops and work life balance and opportunity to work remotely on need basis and adherence to employee safety first policy and best in industry leave policy and best in class allowance offered to the staff working in shifts and networking and collaboration opportunities by exposure to industry best practices through external conferences and seminars accentuate your career with the globally recognized EY acclaimed batches and know your business vertical. Then enablement services is a fast growing vertical in EY GDS and the vertical takes care of the portfolio ranging across domains, work with global clients and uses cutting edge technologies and enterprise level tools. Then industry leader in robotics, process automation, process efficiency and transformation and quality of work and diversified role are the key focus and focus on individuals' career through constructive feedback environment and driving specific initiatives on bringing gender parity in workforce and most preferred vertical by employee based on the global people सर्वे. सो अगर आप EY के लिए सिलेक्ट होते हैं तो इतनी सारी जो हैं बेनिफिट्स और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटीज़ आपको मिलेंगी. आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो एक बहुत अच्छा वर्किंग इन्वायरमेंट मिलेगा. देन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा है. यू विल गेट अ गुड वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस एंड अगर आप चाहते हैं कभी आपको ज़रूरत है वर्क फ्रॉम होम की तो आप वो भी ले सकते हैं. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं एंड उसके बाद आपको लीव पॉलिसीज़ और ये सब कुछ भी और भी जो अलाउंस वगैरह होंगे वो तो बेनिफिट हैं ही और उसके साथ ये भी सारे बेनिफिट हैं. नाउ job summary. So the role would facilitate and support research needs to the firm's professionals on a proactive and reactive basis, and the selected candidate will also be responsible for support on updating EY's clients relationship management and other EY database. So basically this is going to be a support kind of role, so you will be responsible for support on the client's relationship management. Okay, now your technical responsibilities will be facilitate and drives the process to completion by following up on request from risk management consultant and assisting the client team. So basically आपको अपडेट लेना पड़ेगा एंड क्लाइंट को अपडेट करना पड़ेगा और असिस्ट करना पड़ेगा. Now undertakes the key requirements of firm and regulators RM rules and policies, perform initial review of submissions from client team and evaluates completeness, accuracy and appropriateness of proposed transaction request, then act as a liaison between the client team, other member of the risk management team and various functional areas within the firms and formulates answer of the client questions and use analytical and project management methodology and tools, learn the firm structure, business strategies, service lines and people to the firm and plans and organize own work and keeps other informed the status and activities. And then we we see this, then apply a broad range of analytical approaches for form back of envelope approximation of what if scenarios to dives and uncovering patterns in order to identify trends and new opportunities and other responsibilities and supporting actions. So these are will be your technical responsibilities which you will gonna do as a associate analyst in EY. Okay, so basically आपका मैनेजमेंट एंड अपडेशन और सपोर्ट काइंड ऑफ वर्क होने वाला है यहाँ पर और you are expected to have below mentioned skills. So these are some of these skills. They want good written and oral communication skills, then good negotiation skills and decision making capabilities, then experience in hands-on analytical role with a focus on analyzing business problems and advanced Excel knowledge, data visualization knowledge in added advantage, and good experience of handling large set of data and knowledge of visualization tools like Power BI, etc. is an added advantage. So these all are the skills they want in you. Then job recruitment, graduate or postgraduate. So if you are a graduate or postgraduate from any degree, then you can apply for this job because they have not mentioned any batch criteria, so any batch can apply, and they have not mentioned the degree criteria also. So if you are a graduate or postgraduate, then you can apply for this job, and they want 0 to 1 years of work experience and freshers may be considered. तो यहाँ पर अगर आपके पास 1 साल तक का एक्सपीरियंस है तब भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं एंड फ्रेशर्स भी कंसीडर करे जाएंगे. नाउ certification requirements, so any relevant certifications will be added and advantage and this job description is intended as a guide to reflect the principal function of the job. However, it is not an all-inclusive listing of the required job function and may vary depending on the geographical location of the job and or the manager, and further the job description is subject to the change of the discretion of management. So ये जो भी job description दिया गया है इनको change कर सकते हैं if the company wants. तो आपको इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है. बेसिकली रिक्वायरमेंट्स सारी यही है, बट इन एनी केसेस वैसे ऐसा होता नहीं है, पर इन एनी केसेस दे कैन चेंज. So these all are the requirements from the company, and any undergraduate and postgraduate can apply for this associate analyst job. So this link will be in the description box. If you want to apply for this job, then you need to click here on this apply now button, और apply now button पर क्लिक करने के बाद आपके सामने एक रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म खुलेगा. उसको आपको फिल कर देना है और फिल करने के बाद सबमिट कर देना है. एंड फॉर फर्दर प्रोसेस आपको जो आपकी रजिस्टर्ड ईमेल आईडी है उस पर एक्टिव रहना है बिकॉज कंपनी विल कोऑर्डिनेट टू यू थ्रू दैट. सो बी एक्टिव ऑन दैट. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना है, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है और अपने दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो को शेयर करना है. एंड ऑल्सो बेल आइकन को भी हिट कर दीजिएगा सो यू नेवर मिस एनी अपडेट. एंड आई विल बी कमिंग बैक विद मोर सच काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.